Yo, what's good, fam? How y'all doing? So, story time really quick. I ended up recording this video earlier, so I'm gonna also play it back so you all see. I recorded this when it was live, when I took it. We had entered a GJ sell right now. All right, so we up in profit. Majority of us closed out most profit, right? So we hit about 140 pips so far. So overall, I do have a swing target and also some very long-term targets down here. But I recorded this video earlier. My mic was off, bro, and it happened to me a few times. So it is what it is. I updated the app that I actually edit my videos on, and when I updated it, I didn't notice that my settings were a bit off. So what I'm gonna do now is want to break this down for you all so we see what happened, what made me take this trade, and what was the reason for the entry, my whole thought process, everything. So overall, every time frame is bearish, man. All right, so obviously we can see that the market was rejecting off of this huge resistance level that was up in here on the daily, very huge level. Even on the weekly, you can see that this was a nice lower high point pretty much, and everything is flowing smoothly. All right, so lots of bearish pressure. So obviously we stay with the trend all the way down each time frame. Price is below the moving average. Look at the position of this moving average as well. It's the 4 hour, y'all. Look at this positioning. All right, so it's very strong bearish power. So we got to ride with the trend. So what I did was I threw my 4 hour fib on here just because I felt like the 4 hour time frame was the cleanest. And as I see here, I threw it from the point A on the fib, which was the high, bearish high, which was the, basically the main lower high point up in here. So from point A to point B, we got basically a 23.6 retracement on the 4 hour fib. So right up in here, as I looked at this area, this is where I was analyzing at. So a couple things I noticed here was exhaustion as the market was rejecting up in here, and then we started to kind of range up in here in this level where we have some support built up. So once I seen that level of support, marked it off, and I just went on down to the 1 hour. And 1 hour, 30, 15 was the rest of my time frames. And I just trickled down to just view how price was unfolding on these lower time frames. So as you can see, the classic for me, simple lower high point, break, new low, lower high, retest. We didn't get an entry on this retest of structure, but what we did was I went down to the lower time frames and I found a lower high point, which was a nice rejection, nice candle confirmations, and I took an entry there. So what I'm gonna do now, let's go down to 30 and 15 so I can show you all. All right, so let me take this off. So now we're on a 30-minute time frame. Obviously you can see we have a nice little level of resistance up in here with some rejections, but it was super clear on the 15-minute. So this is why it's important to be comfortable with swiveling between time frames, so that way you can find what makes the most sense, how you can see price the cleanest, and just knowing and having the toolbox ready to understand, like, all right, boom, I didn't get an entry up here at this retest. If the market doesn't retest, I can't just sit here and hope that it comes back up here. I do have to still get down to the lower time frames and analyze structure to see how things are moving. So going along with structure, going along with the moving average as well, you can see all the time frames are in sync. Look at the moving average. On all these time frames, we have price below the moving average, and it's the same slope on down. All right, so we continue to ride with it. So as I went down to the 5-minute now, and I wanted to see how price was looking. And look at this area up in here, y'all. Look at all these rejections, and look at this moving average, horizontal, bro. Whenever you see the moving average horizontal on one of these entry time frames for you, just know that this means this is a nice level of resistance and a super strong level. So seeing that and seeing, boom, back-to-back bearish confirmations on the 5-minute time frame, along with this moving average and this 15-minute resistance that I analyzed from one time frame up, all of that together gave me confidence to take entries. And I went back to the 15-minute, and as you see, we have a nice bearish variation entry confirmation. So boom, that was my entry. Stop loss was above this level, above the moving average, 35 pips, basically 34 pips. All right, and then now TPs was set all throughout this move down. We end up securing about 140 pips, 144 pips so far. So at the end of the day, the market might continue to push down. I had like 3-4 positions entered from here. So if the market continues to flow down and swing, then obviously I'll be able to continue to eat off of this move. But this was a huge gain so far. Overall, it's a 4-hour setup, right? So this is the 4-hour picture like I showed y'all. So it would be nice to see this thing play out. Who knows how long this could take. I don't know. But yeah, I'm definitely open to continue to swing this setup if it flows down, you know, gradually. But other than that, man, that's the setup. So again, we secured so far 144 pips, and the stop loss was 34 pips. So we already pretty much did a 1 to 4 risk reward opportunity, which is awesome. All right. And yeah, that's pretty much it, man. So also, I'm in a funding pips one-step challenge. I'm in a 100K one-step challenge. The first couple trades of the year, I got cooked, literally chopped up in the markets. First 3 trades, literally. So I was 0-3, came back with a big win. So that did replace a lot of my losses. For the most part, majority of it, to be real, because the losses were like 20 pips or 30 pips, 50 pips, like that. So majority of it, I pretty much recovered just in this one trade, which is great, of course. But right now, yeah, I'm on a funding pips challenge, one-step challenge. The goal is 10% to reach to actually get funded. So I think right now I'm up like probably 6 or 7% right now. So yeah, 6%. So far so good. If this trade continues to flow down, then most likely I'll end up passing the challenge. We probably got to clear about a good, maybe like 220 or something pips somewhere down here, which is possible, definitely possible within the London and New York session. So we'll see how this unfolds, man. But other than that, if this challenge does get passed within this trade, I will be definitely documenting that and updating you all, showing you all the proof. But other than that, man, this just also just showing you all I'm still in the trade. All right, still in the trade. Well, this is MaureeTrades, the platform that Funding Pips uses for US traders. What's good, everybody? I wanted to update you all on the final result of this setup. We end up holding it for about 2 days, and we capitalized off about 190 pips. Our TP was based off of about 189,400, right? So that made it a 1 to 5 risk reward opportunity. It was crazy gain. 5 times the risk, of course, which is super awesome. It was a great way to end the week, and also for me to jump back into the positives and be back in the green. We had took 2 L's in the beginning of the week, man. It was a rough start, but we came back, stayed strong, kept my head down, and kept grinding and stayed under control. And most importantly, just patient and waiting for my setups. Capitalized off of it when it came, and everything played out perfect. All right, so I just wanted to update you all so you've seen the final result of this video and of this trade. I hope this was clear and it made sense. And other than that, man, peace and love to everybody. I love y'all. Appreciate the support. Like, comment, subscribe. We out of here. It's awesome to see 133 subscribers, to be real. I didn't even, know I would be doing this, to be honest, like actually making a YouTube, actually trying to actually edit videos and recording them and putting them out, putting myself out there, you know what I mean? But I'm definitely enjoying the journey. I'm loving the feedback as well. I appreciate the support from all of y'all, man. Lots of people reach out to me so far. And I know I'm going to continue to grow and, elevate throughout this journey and bless more people and just help more people grow within this space. If any questions, any concerns, any topics that you want me to discuss, please drop them below in the comment. Let me know anything that you're struggling with, any trades that you took it so far, pairs that you like, don't like, anything that you want me to cover, anything at all regarding my trading style, whatever it is. I do have a free Discord community as well. I don't push that on people. I just letting y'all know, you feel me? If you gravitate to me, you gravitate to my energy, you like the way I trade or the way I break down the markets, anything at all. If you're out here and you're in the trading space, you don't have a community or like other support, systems or any traders that you can connect with and grow with, I have a very positive group of traders, a lot of independent traders, people that learn from me, other traders that trade futures, options, Forex, everything. Some people just crypto investing, some people taking signals, whatever it is, but we have a mixture. So yeah, if you want to, you can join that. It's in the link in the bio as well. And also within my description of the videos, you'll see the link to all my platforms. Peace and love to everybody. I'm out of here. I love y'all. Appreciate the support, man. Continue to please subscribe. We had 133 subscribers so far. And other than that, man, yeah, let's just continue to grow. Please like, comment, subscribe on this video. Let me know what y'all thinking about this setup. And I'm out of here, man. God bless.